Hi all, welcome to a travel video. Today I'll be taking you to a restaurant that rotates at 360 degrees on a mountain called Mount Chilton, which is at a height of 2970 meters above sea level. Let's start our journey. Now we are at Lauterbrunnen. The bus that comes here takes us to Stechelberg. This is Stechelberg. Stechelberg is the starting point of our journey as the tickets for cable cars are issued here. Stechelberg is also a beautiful scenic village at the base of mountains, and you could see many people paragliding from here. We collected our tickets and got into the first cable car. Before reaching rotating restaurant, you have to reach other two levels. One is Murren, a chill village, which is at a height of 5,374 feet above sea level. We have reached Murren and it has so many viewpoints. Murren is also called as a chill village. Another delight to everyone watching this is the entire journey is a 007 James Bond film location, so don't miss till the end. After spending few hours, time to get into the second cable car. So this will be taking us to the level 2 and it is called Berg. This is also called as Thrill, and you will know why it is called Thrill in some time. Hope you could see a bridge or a trail, and we'll be walking on it, and that's why it is called Thrill. So we'll be not walking now, we'll be walking at the end of our trip. Now we are getting into the third cable car. So this third cable car will be taking us to the rotating restaurant. As I said, this restaurant rotates at 360 degrees and has a famous 007 James Bond brunch. The name came because a James Bond movie was shot here, and the name of the movie is On Her Majesty's Secret Service. And we are about to reach Pisgoria. And now we will be reaching a height of 9,744 feet above sea level. And we have reached. Hi James Bond. And this is the James Bond brunch ticket. First thing first, we made ourselves comfortable in a corner, and this is how the restaurant rotates. It goes for 2 complete rotations, and it doesn't rotate this fast. I have put it on a 2x speed. Some pics of the Bond brunch. They have salads, desserts, noodles, soups, and many more. How scenic it is to have your brunch by the mountains. It was indeed magical. They also have the famous 007 burger. In case you don't want to have the buffet, you can have the burger. Also make sure to have your seat reserved in advance on the panoramic view side. Below the restaurant is the Bond World. This is Bond Cinemas, and it is a huge single screen playing a James Bond movie. Few insights from Bond Museum. This museum has artifacts from James Bond movies. Outside is a Walk of Fame. The path to it was steep, elevated and tricky, but we reached. The view from there was so nice. Getting down from Walk of Fame. Few pics on the trail. Also, from here we could see panoramic view of other summits like Mount Eiger, Titlis, Jungfrau and many other mountains. This picture is clicked to mark the height. Like I said earlier, at the end of the trip, giving a thrill walk at Berg. Indeed, it was a thrill walk as it was a glass bridge and it was at a height of 8,806 feet above sea level. It was a very slow walk. I have put it on a speed in the video. Coming to price details, tickets to Mount Chilton starting from Stechelberg cost 108 francs per person, and it is not included in Swiss Pass from this year. James Bond brunch has to be paid separately. Let me know in the comments if you like the James Bond film location, and don't forget to subscribe.